Hello everyone, my name is Santiago, and in today's video I'm going to show you my project as part of the CS50's web programming with Python and Javascript. Alright, so the project is about building a mailing system just as Google's Gmail. So we're going to test some of the major features of this project. So let's log in with this already created user, click on the login, and we can see the first thing we see is the inbox page, where of course we see all the mails we have received. We can compose a new mail by clicking on the compose button on top of the page. Let's choose this user, subject line, mail, first mail, I don't know, 40, body, hey, just hi, right? Click on the submit button and we can see this message that says the email has been sent successfully. Log out and log in with the user we sent that email to. Alright, that is working as we can see here, a new mail. This user has received a new mail. Another interesting feature is that if the mail has not been read, then the mail's background color is white, otherwise it's gray, as you can see here. So if we open this ML app, we can see some basic information. Right here we see the mail's body and from who this sent this email from, who is this email from, who is this email to, subject line, blah blah blah. Right, let's go back to the inbox page, and then we can see here the mail's background color has already changed. Alright, so now let's test another interesting feature, which is the reply feature. If we click on the reply button, we can see here it takes us to this new page where it basically pre-fills some of these input fields by us, like who we are going to send this email to, the subject line, and what the email said. Alright, so we're going to just write some, type in some text here. Oh yes, yeah, thanks, I don't know. I click on the submit button, email sent successfully. Let's click on OK, and this time it takes us to the inbox page. If we go to the sent page, we can see we have answer to that mail. Let's log out and log into another user, and as we can see here, this user has received that reply message. Alright, so that feature is working, and the last one is the archive feature. We can archive mails. I click on the archive button, email archived successfully. It has disappeared from our inbox page. Let's go to the archive page. We click on the archive button and we can see the mail here. Let's unarchive this mail. Click on the archive and we can see it has go back to into our inbox page. Alright, I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for your attention and see you soon. Bye bye.